The first step is to simply open Google Slides, and then in order to add a curved text, we're gonna have to use another website because Google Slides doesn't have this option yet. So we're gonna have to open a new tab and search for curved text generator and then click on this one, the second one. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply pick one of these templates. So I'm gonna choose this one from here, and then here we can add our text, and then here we can change the font if you want. So as you can see, we have different fonts. We can change the alignment, the size. So as you can see here at the top, we have our text. Then here we can change the color. So let me choose another color, this one here. Now here, if you want, you can enable stroke. Now, what we can do, we can also enable shadows, blurs, etc. Now, another thing that we can do, we can change the scale of this curved text. Then we have the path. So from here, we can change the path of our curved text. Then we can change the background. I suggest to go with transparent. Now, after you finish creating your text, you're gonna have to click on download and select PNG from here. Then click on download. Now we're gonna have to go back to Google Slides, then click on insert at the top, then select image and then select upload from computer. From here, we're gonna have to select our image, and as you can see, now we have our curved text. So basically, that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.